Is your 2018-2024 Buick Enclave key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video guides you through a simple DIY battery replacement. Save time and money by doing it yourself. All models use a CR2032 battery. No recalls have affected this process. The key fob consists of a plastic housing that protects the internal components, a metal key blade for manual vehicle access, and an internal circuit board powered by a CR2032 battery. The plastic housing is the outer shell that holds everything together. The metal key blade allows manual entry if the electronic fob fails. The internal circuit board processes the signals and is powered by the battery. The battery is a CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell that provides power. Models from 2022 to 2024 may include a rubber gasket for waterproofing the housing. Gather these essential tools before starting: a flathead screwdriver or prying tool to open the fob, a small Phillips screwdriver for some models, and a new CR2032 battery. Rubber gloves are optional to prevent static discharge. Avoid using metal tools near the circuit board to prevent short circuits. Step 1. Locate the seam or notch on the side of the fob, usually opposite the key blade. This is where you'll pry it open. Step 2. Gently pry open the housing using the screwdriver. For 2023-2024 models, check for a small screw to remove first. Be careful not to damage the fob. Step 3. Carefully remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Handle the battery gently to avoid damage. Step 4. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's seated properly before reassembling. Step 5. Snap the housing back together securely. Ensure all parts align correctly, especially if there's a rubber gasket. Step 6. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. If it doesn't work, proceed to the next section on reprogramming. Time required: 5 to 10 minutes. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition to the on position multiple times to sync the fob with the vehicle. This step is rarely needed, but can resolve issues with post-2020 models if the battery was completely dead. A common issue is incorrect battery polarity. Ensure the plus side is facing up. Moisture can also cause corrosion, especially in 2024 models. Clean the contacts with a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol if needed. If problems persist, professional diagnosis might be required. Key fob batteries typically last 1 to 2 years, depending on how often you use the fob and local climate conditions. Extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold, can significantly shorten battery life, as can frequently using advanced features like auto start. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is shifting toward battery-free and rechargeable key fobs to reduce waste and improve convenience. However, for 2018-2024 Buick Enclaves, manual battery replacement is still the norm and easily done as a DIY project. Always dispose of old key fob batteries responsibly through recycling programs to minimize environmental impact.